Rise and shine. Hi God, thanks for the shine. Seriously. Yo, but look, check this out. You see that right there? So on top of that pole, that's crow spirit blow, right? And they're always chattering. But look, check that out over there. You see that? Right in that tree, right? You got more crow spirit blow. Look at them. They just be hanging out, just having a good time, right? You know, that's all they do, right? So every time we go on our walks, you know, crow is always chattering. Crow, oh look, you see, there goes sparrow flying right there. So sparrow's flying up in the trees right now too. But every time, look at that. These birds, they're so beautiful. But you can't tell, but over there, oh, there goes Blade. You know, I call that one Blade because she drops her leaves all the time, and then, you know, that's just what she does. And then there goes deru too, right? But then what I'm saying is that, you know, in this area that we're in right here, there's always birds, right? The birds are everywhere, and I love how they keep us company during the day, right? There's another one. There's a hawk spirit over here too, and then we get to chatter with hawk too. And then there's a mama hawk, and then there's a baby hawk, right? And then I just watched the baby hawk grow, right? You know, so then I saw the baby hawk on the floor one day just hanging out, and it was just having a good time chilling, right? And then I was just like, oh, hey, what's up, man? You know, I guess I'll be able to see you around because this is going to be your territory, right? So it's kind of cool, man. You know, when you get to going out and then you watch these birds, man, you know, I don't know what that is. I don't know if that just means that I'm now an old man and I'm watching the birds because I like to see their flow and I like to see their blow, man. But that's it. You know, that's my bit. You know, see, there goes crow. You know, I can always chatter with crow. All right, I'll see you guys in the future. Remember, get out there and crush. No one's having more fun than us. Bye.